Hi, I'm Scott Humphrey with the World Floor Covering Association. Would you join me on June 1st, the Day of Giving, and help support a nonprofit, a 501c3, that is established to solve the biggest problem that has impacted the flooring industry for years? And that is the quantity and quality of flooring installation. FCEF was established in 2019 and is making great strides in doing that. The biggest challenge is long-term financial stability. We have just over 30 retailers that are giving $100 per month per location to support this. Listen, it does a lot of good for your organization if we solve the installation crisis, but we can't count on everyone else to do it. And if $100 a month is going to impact your retail business, you've got bigger problems than just installation. Would you join these people that have committed to this, and over 300 that through different manufacturing partnerships are giving a penny a square foot back to the organization? Be part of the solution. Let's quit talking about installation as a problem and let's solve it now for good and for our future. June 1st, 2026, the Day of Giving, and all you got to do is go to FCEF.org and click on the Donate Now button. Thank you in advance. I know I can count on you.